Thanks for joining us. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how you can use the Wellness Checkpoint online health risk assessment to better understand your health risks and, more importantly, take action that can help you make meaningful, sustainable changes. Let's get started. For most users, you'll access Wellness Checkpoint by following the directions provided by your company. That will take you to the Wellness Checkpoint access code page, which looks like this. After you've entered your access code, you'll go to the Welcome page. At this point, you can select which language you'd like to use for the questionnaire. Up to 26 languages are available, depending on which ones your sponsor has selected. If you're entering Wellness Checkpoint for the first time, you'll need to select First Time User. You'll have to choose a login identifier and a password, and select a password reminder question and response. Nobody but you will know your login identifier or your password, so remember to keep them confidential. As we scroll down, we come across the Terms of Use or Disclaimer. Please read this carefully. It tells you why you are completing the assessment and what will be done with the data you've entered. If you've been to Wellness Checkpoint before, choose the Login button. Accept the website conditions and log in as an existing user. Again, you'll need to enter your login identifier and password. Once you've logged in, you'll be presented with a series of questions about your lifestyle, biometrics, and health status. Once you've answered all mandatory questions, you'll go directly to the My Dashboard page. This page has a lot of really useful information for you, based on your specific health risks. Most prominently on the page, you'll see a large, colorful indicator bar showing your overall health risk score. Your health risk score is an indicator of your aggregate health risk on a scale of 0 to 50. The lower your score, the more healthy choices you are making to protect your health. A score at the high end of the scale means that you need to consider making changes to lower or manage your risk. Click on the See My Scorecard button to see how each of your answers contribute to your overall health risk score. Lower down on the My Dashboard page, you'll see a section called My Current Data, which displays your current biometric information as you've reported it. If you weren't able to supply any of the requested information, that tab will say Not Sure. Beside that, you'll find the What Can I Do Better section. In descending order of risk-reward are listed your specific goalable risks. Click on any of the Set Goals buttons to set a goal for a particular risk, or click on the See All My Goal Options button toward the bottom and set a number of goals. Note how your goal risk score changes to reflect the goals you've set. If you'd like to see how your health risk might look in the future should you continue with your current habits, click on the My Risk Looking Ahead button. The Looking Ahead page will congratulate you for the things you're doing well, call out some of the things you should consider changing or need to be cautioned about, and if there are any issues that are strong indicators of future health issues, let you know that you should take action on them. If there is any key information you weren't able to give us that might affect your health score, we'll remind you to go get it. The What's Next feature below the navigation menu points out optional sections that you have not yet completed to help you better understand your health. Supporting the My Dashboard page are a series of more detailed reports designed to tell you, here's where you're at. These reports include a personal profile report, your balance sheet, a How Am I Doing report, and a data listing. The action resources include the Your Action Priorities, For Your Attention, Looking Ahead reports, and the optional Wellness Prescription report, which collectively tell you, here's what you should do, highlighting your change priorities and taking into account your risks, goals, and readiness to change. The Work and Life section gives you an organized way of looking at improving your health as it relates to your work and home life. We hope this has been helpful and that you're ready to begin your journey to better health with Wellness Checkpoint. If you have any questions about the Wellness Checkpoint program, please contact us. Thank you.